What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to sync Clickup with Google Calendar. In order to do this, you just need to go over to Clickup and then you're going to go to the sidebar and click on More. When you click on that, you're going to click on Apps. Now here in the Apps section, you can search for Google Calendar, but you can see it right here. So we're going to click on Google Calendar and you can see sync between Google Calendar and Clickup. We're going to do just that. Once you click on it, you have the tabs Personal and Workspace. So under Personal, which is what we'll be doing for this tutorial, we'll be creating a personal connection. So we're going to click on Connect, and then we're going to choose the Google account which we would like to connect with Clickup. As you can see, we're done connecting Clickup with Google Calendar. We're going to say Done. As you can see right here, it's done, and it says here, connects another account. That's if you want to connect another Google Calendar to your Clickup. It's currently ingesting the data. This means that it's currently syncing what it needs to sync in order to be completely integrated with Clickup. And then from here, once you go to the calendar on your Clickup, you will be able to see clearly that your Google Calendar has been synced with your Clickup, where you'll be seeing what is on your Google Calendar when you're busy or not, synchronizing with what you have on Clickup. So this is how to synchronize Clickup with Google Calendar.